Hey you guys, what's going on? It's Joshua Zitting, and if you guys have landed on this video, you guys are looking for an honest review of Done For You Suite 2.0. And so what I've done, you guys, is right down below this video I put a link to the bonuses that I'm offering. So if you are watching this, definitely take a look. You can go check out other people's review and whatnot, but I do feel like I've got one of the best bonus packages for you guys. So if you are looking to pick up Done For You Suite, and really what I wanted to explain to you guys is what Done For You Suite 2.0 actually does. So on the page, you guys are going to see my bonuses, but also I wanted to break down all of the upsells that are attached to the software as well, so you guys can make an educated decision whether or not you want to purchase those upsells, and I've got a little bit of insight on that for you guys as well. So what Done For You Suite is it really is a Done For You solution for helping you guys rank your video content. So I have a background, you guys, in SEO. I've done SEO for multiple years, and ultimately part of ranking video content has to do with the amount of video embeds that you have on other websites. So for instance, whenever you make a video, let's say for YouTube, and you're trying to rank it for a specific keyword phrase, you want to then take that video and you want to get it on as many social media sites as possible. And that is essentially what a video embed is. So the more of those that you have, the more YouTube's algorithm is going to look at that video and say, okay, there's a lot of people sharing this content, and it moves you up in the rankings. So if you understand that and you understand keyword research, you can do some pretty good damage on creating content that is going to guide people to your videos. And if your videos have call to actions where you're talking about affiliate products or anything like that, you can make some really good money. And we're doing this with e-commerce as well as affiliate marketing videos. So one thing that it does is you can take your video basically and plug it into their software, and it is going to create backlinks and video embeds for you automatically. You basically get to pick and choose how many backlinks you want to build to that video. And they've got a lot of syndication features with the specific software that is going to put it on, you know, Wikipedia and other main sites that have high authority in Google's eyes. So again, as you kind of read through this, it's pretty much done for you. I mean, the software really is, you just plug your video content into it and it does all of this in the background for you. It even has a drip feed system, so it looks more organic, like people are actually sharing the video. And then it does have like a WordPress syndication. So if you've got WordPress sites, you can plug in all of your information into the application. So when you do share, it automatically shares it to your websites, and it gets shared just across the internet. So that is pretty much what it does. But for the most part, the biggest thing is Joshua Moore has been around for years, you guys, and he creates some really incredible stuff. And so that is, again, one of the things that I always talk about is, if you're going to buy a piece of software, like, know who is actually behind it and whether or not they're going to be around to support that software. And Josh has done a really good job with his stuff over the years. And so he's one of the people that I follow and that I recommend, you know, his stuff, just because it's actually pretty good quality. So the biggest piece of the biggest reason behind why you guys would want to do something like this is if you really are looking to rank video content. And video content, you guys, is pretty much the deal right now in 2020. Like, if you're trying to make any sort of money online, it's probably one of the fastest, easiest ways to do so. And so if you can give yourself the upper hand when it comes to actually ranking your videos, then this is probably one of the softwares that I would say is one of the best softwares coming out this year, just because of the fact that it does all the stuff for you in the background, so you're not having to do it manually. Now the other thing is on the upsells, you guys. So for instance, one thing to remember is that there's no software to install. There's no basically training to learn. You don't have to have previous SEO knowledge. So that's a huge bonus, because SEO can be pretty in-depth and it's constantly changing. The other thing is, like, you don't have to go create a bunch of social accounts like we typically had to do in the past. One of the methods that we used to use is we would go buy, 30 or 40 pre-made social media accounts and just blast content onto those. And you don't have to do that with this. It's all done for you. And so the other thing is, like, you don't have to mess with proxies or Captchas. So again, we used to have multiple proxies set up to where it looked like we were working on multiple different computers, and you don't have to do any of that stuff with the software. So the biggest thing is literally it's 3 simple steps. You log into the software, you submit your keywords and the URL that you want the traffic to go to. So the other thing about this is you can use this for your websites. That's a benefit too. Like if you guys are doing e-commerce, you can use this to actually rank your e-commerce sites and your products. And all you do is hit submit, and that's legitimately all you have to do with the software. So the front end, you guys, right now it's $47 because this just released today, which is April 10th. This just came out this morning, and so it will be going up to $67. And then there's a couple of upsells, so let's talk about those really quick. The front end is going to give you the software, and then the second upsell, you guys, is credits, right? So this does work on credits as far as how many times that you guys can use this on a monthly basis. And so one thing is, if you purchase the credits up front, it saves you a ton of money. So again, for any of you guys that are taking the ranking process seriously, and you understand the amount of money that can be made off of ranking a couple of pieces of content, for those of you that are brand new into like SEO and online marketing, ranking content is everything, because once it's ranked, you continue to make money on that. So if your offer's right and it makes sense and it's relevant to the user that's actually searching for the information, you can make a lot of sales off that. So the other thing is upsell 2, which is a done-for-you indexer platform. Indexing, you guys, is basically like once your content has been put on a bunch of websites, indexing just makes it to where Google can actually find that content and find it faster. So the faster that it can be actually found, because sometimes content will get posted and then Google never crawls that site, so it doesn't actually show up and help you rank, whereas this indexer actually does that for you. So it basically just adds more depth and quality to the links that you're actually building, and to put in a simple form. Okay, so and it explains that all on my bonus page right here, you guys. So what I would suggest is come through and actually read through this stuff. The other thing is upsell 3, which is a special offer for My Video Spy. So again, for those of you guys that have followed me over the last couple years, like I talk a lot about keyword research and how research really is the key to your business, right? It's the key to actually going out there and finding like longer tail keywords that people are searching for, but maybe don't, that people aren't specifically trying to rank for. So if you find those long tail keywords, I specifically like focus on 2 or 3 long tail keywords that have a combined amount of searches versus like the keyword cooking, right? You're not going to rank for that because there's probably a big company out there that's been trying to rank for that keyword forever, or there's a video just sitting at number 1 that you're not going to probably outrank even if you tried. So basically what this does is it allows you to find competitors, find specific niches that are untapped. And I do think that this upsell, if you guys don't have other keyword tools that you're using for like YouTube research, it's a great upsell to go after. So upsell 4 is access to Video Chief. And this is basically a membership site, you guys, of 1,200 done for you videos that you guys can use right away. So if you guys are brand new to building a YouTube channel, this is a huge benefit because you can literally grab those videos, you can brand them, you can put them on your channel. And if you pick them the right way and go find like digital products, let's say on ClickBank or JVZoo or some of these other affiliate networks, you can basically utilize those videos, plug them into the software, have affiliate links in the description, and you can make money that way. So that's a huge benefit. Now, the last thing that they don't even talk about on here, you guys, is you can come on over to Fiverr and you can offer this as a service to people. So you can go post a service for yourself on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can actually basically advertise yourself as someone who can create backlinks for other people. So you could promote yourself as a backlink expert, and someone, you know, could pay you, let's say $50 for 100 backlinks and embeds for their YouTube videos. And you can do that over and over and over. So you can utilize the software not just for yourself, but you can use it for other people, and you can be making some good side income that way too. So again, no software, 0 social accounts, 100% done for you. So, and then right below that, you guys, I put a video that breaks down some new things, because this is version 2.0 of Done For You Suite, and they've added some really cool stuff, and they've got some great analytics in there for you as well. So the biggest thing is, you guys, again, it's April 9th. This just launched. The bonuses that I'm offering, okay, I myself wanted to give you guys a little extra like oomph and help. So I created a little bonus course that is going to teach you guys some YouTube keyword SEO hacks that are going to help you guys go out there and like find better content and better things to create that you can actually rank for. And then also, if you guys don't currently have a WordPress site, I put together another bonus that is going to teach you guys how to build an affiliate site really quickly for yourself. And it's like we utilize WordPress really to have our main site and content that we're ranking, but we also use it to rank our videos. So anytime we create a video, we also create an article for it. Anytime we create an article, we create a video for it. And we make sure that it's kind of all over the place online. And that's one of the things that we cover in this. So again, go ahead and make sure that when you guys do, if you decide to purchase this, go through my button right here, so you guys get access to those bonuses. And if you guys have any questions about that, just let me know. And then the other thing is that I wanted to point out is that the vendor himself, so Joshua actually put together some really cool bonuses for you guys. Like agency rights to Done For You Suite. Like I said, you can go out there and you can promote this and sell this as a service to other people, and it becomes just an income stream for you. So the other thing is he put together a sub syndicator feature for you. And so basically what this is he says that, you know, many of his users wanted to completely remove themselves from the equation altogether, and this bonus allows you to do that. So it allows you to properly outsource the submission of your campaigns without having to give full access to your main account. So essentially you can set up different features inside of the application to where other people can use that stuff. So you also have the automatic Done For You video embeds for even faster video rankings. And with this, again, it's just an added feature that is going to go out there and embed your video on multiple different platforms, and it's going to help you guys rank much faster. He also has a keyword bootcamp training. So it's similar to what kind of one of the bonuses that I'm offering you guys, which is going to really teach you guys how to go out there and find the keywords that are even rankable on YouTube. So again, it's a process of finding relevant content, but really getting smarter about how you do your keyword research and how you write your titles and descriptions. They've got a live client attracting bonus. So there's also ways to use this software, you guys, to rank videos. Even you can rank videos for stuff like local businesses and stuff like that as well. And you can utilize this software for a lot of different purposes that aren't just for, you know, e-commerce or affiliate marketing. So, and then he's got the perfect optimization blueprint, you guys, which is just going to talk about, you know, optimizing everything from, you know, your campaigns, and really to ensure that you get the best results with the software itself. So, and then they have a 100% risk-free guarantee. So there's a lot of bonuses, you guys, involved in this. But the one thing that I'll just continue to basically talk about is that the fact that if you guys in 2020 are looking to really be successful with video marketing, a software like this is going to help you do that. So ultimately, it's not just about putting up content. There's a few ranking factors that are going to be needed to take place nowadays because so many people are creating content, and this is just going to give you that leg up. So definitely go check out the software, you guys. I hope this review helps. Again, make sure that if you guys do decide to purchase, go through my links, and then I'll make sure that I get you guys those bonuses as well. In fact, if you go ahead and pick them up, they will be pretty much auto delivered to you. So in your JV Zoo receipt, you're going to see a little blue button that says affiliate bonuses, and you'll be able to pick up those bonuses right away. So, and again, I hope this review helped you guys. My name is Joshua Zitting. You guys, those links are down in the description, so go ahead and grab those. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I release new content, and we will see you guys soon. Take care.